Hi, this is the Redmi 12R and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap the voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, you should click on the switcher and after that just tap the voice model to add your voice model assistant to recognize your voice. Then repeat after the assistant and say, "Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" "Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes." "Hey Google, make a call." "Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday." Then just tap to next, not now. And when you'll say "Okay Google" or "Hey Google", you'll see that this option is successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.